welcome back to my channel. First, I'm like really excited. Let's just zoom in right now. Like, look at these eyes. I was just feeling so like bummy this weekend, like lazy, bummy. I didn't really have any plans, anything to do. I'm like a mess. This was so last minute. I wasn't even planning on filming this. Since I was feeling so bummy, your girl went and spent about $300 on makeup. Let's check it out. So I went to Ulta, of course, and then Sephora. I've got so many new goodies. I had like this concept in my head of like, okay, Selena, like don't go in there and buy that you already used, or don't go in there and buy duplicates, or you know, like extras. Every time I go to Sephora Ulta, I'm like, oh yes, I need me some shape tape. I'm gonna run out of my foundation. I was like, you know what, I want to try new stuff. I want to try I don't know. So let's just jump right in and start with Sephora, because I did go to Sephora first. I actually went there on Friday. Today's Sunday. And I started off really small. I really wanted to try the Fenty concealer, but I had never tried the Fenty foundation. So you know what your girl did? I went and bought that. And then they gave me the little sample primer because I told her I have dry skin, and she was like, oh, this is gonna be amazing for you. And then she's like, what primer do you use now? And I was like, oh, I use Tatcha. And she was like, oh girl, let me just give you a sample because you don't need to buy this. But for the sake of this video, I did want to try, for the sake of my next video, which will be coming soon. I just gave you guys a sneak peek. For the sake of that video, I did want to try this, because if I'm going to be doing the Fenty foundation, I want to try, like, give it its full capability. If they work better together, more compatible with primer, then that's what I'm going to do. So, you know, I went and I got the concealer, and it's so cute. I haven't even opened anything yet. I always open it from the bottom because I'm too lazy to rip the little sticker at the top. But it does look just like the foundation. Let me open the foundation. I am shade 190. Ooh, I'm excited to try. I've heard a lot of good things about this brand. And this packaging feels so luxurious, and this was only $34. I think this was like, ooh, let me look at my receipt. I don't want to give you the wrong price. So yeah, this was $34, and then this one was $26, the concealer, which isn't bad because I believe the Shape Tape is $28. Oof, and concealer lasts me so long. They are about the same amount of ounces. So there's that. I can't wait to play with that. Yes, there will be a video coming soon. And then I picked up I wanted to try a bunch of her stuff. First I was like, oh, let's do a whole Fenty video, but I was like, no, you know, let's just try little by little. So I got this Bomb Baby mini lip and face set. This comes with Hustla Baby highlighter and Fenty Glow lip gloss. I believe this was like the first lip gloss she had out, and it's like still raved about, and so I'm excited to try that. And this highlighter is like a rose gold. I'm a little worried that it will turn up a little too peachy for my skin tone because I am pretty light skinned, but I think it will be like my Amrezy. I hope. And then here is Fenty Glow. It's just a mini. I was gonna get the full size, but they didn't have it there. So then she was like, ooh, it comes in a kit. And I was like, oh, might as well get a highlighter too. Look at how poppin' that is. Oh my goodness. Okay, on to the next product. I was gonna buy the powder there that night, and the girl was like, if you have dry skin, you shouldn't try it. And then I went and I watched a whole bunch of YouTube, and I was like, people are raving about this. Why didn't I not buy it? So I went back and I picked it up, and I really went to Sephora only to buy this. And you know, I had a moment. I blacked out, as Jaclyn Hill would say. But here it looks like. I got the butter. I watched Kathleen Light's video. Actually, she's the one who made me want to get it because she's more of my skin complexion, and she does have dry skin. So I was like, okay, for her, then it will probably work for me. And I just love this packaging. Oh, I completely forgot. So I bought this on a separate day. So the Fenty Foundation, concealer, and the Fenty highlighter, the balm, baby balm, that all cost me $90.26. I'm not playing when I told you guys I went blacked out for 3 days. For 3 days. Anyways, and then this one costs, this one goes for $32, but I think that's amazing because the Laura Mercier, I want to say it's like 38 or 42, I can't remember. But that one, I feel like, I mean, it's great. I love Laura Mercier, but the packaging is just plastic. And this one is like a thick acrylic plastic with like a mirror top, and it just looks so luxurious. I love it. So I can't wait to play with that one. And then the next thing that I got at Sephora round 2 is this little roller lash mini with a roller lash liner. They just came out with this liner, and I really wanted to try it because right? Oh, I didn't get the liner. Oh my god, did I get 2 roller lashes? I did. Oh my goodness, Selena. So now I have to go back. I really wanted to try the liner because that one came out, and I've never actually tried this. I've heard a lot of good things about it, so that's why I was like, oh, I'll just get the liner and the mini mascara, but that was a joke. So this one actually was $25, but I heard the black liner was amazing. And then the next thing that I got there, I always wanted this. I never had the guts to actually just take it home with me, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna do it today. So I went in there, and guess what, they didn't have any on the shelf, and I was like, it's not meant to be, oh well. And then somebody asked me, are you doing okay? And I was like, actually, can you check? And they had it. This is the Marc Jacobs Tantastic bronzer. I am so excited for this. It's huge. I've heard nothing but good things about it, and I can't wait to use it. I am so excited. I finally have a Marc Jacobs bronzer. And this is the packaging it comes in, and this was $49. So for the second 3 items that I bought was $115. It's okay. And then when I went to Ulta, I don't know, I just got in this mode of like, I want to try new things. So I went and I saw Desi Perkins' video with the Fenty collaboration like a week ago, or the everyday on the go makeup, something like that. She used the MAC strobe cream. I got the pink light one. This is so pretty. I swatched it in the store, and it just, I already know it's gonna give my skin an amazing look, and I can't wait to try that. It's something I've never tried before, and that was $34. So the next thing that I picked up is this Afrique blush by Juvias Palace. I have the Masquerade palette, and I played with it a few times, but I haven't played with it enough to be like, I love it. But so far the pigment and the colors on them all are super creamy and super like blendable, which I love, and buildable. Those pack on the pigment. Seriously, if you have not tried Juvia's Place, definitely pick something up from them, and they are at Ulta now. So here it is. This one is, why doesn't it say the color? I guess this is in color Bella. Yeah, Bella Blush. I thought this one was the prettiest out of the selection that they had. The other one was like a super bright orange, and I just was like, okay, this is more me. I'm more mauve, so I can't wait to try this. And this was $8, so I was like, yes. I almost got the NARS Orgasm, because sad to say I've never tried it, and everyone talks about it, and I think I've never tried it because I started off with Milani and Milani baked blushes, and I think that since that is a dupe for that Orgasm blush, that's why I never, like, why do I want to go pay $30 for a blush when I have a great one that's like $7? Anyways, I will try it one day. So I've got some new lipstick, and this is Morphe. I've actually never used Morphe's liquid lipstick, but here is the little packaging. It's so cute. This is the color Taunt. It's like a nude brown color. I loved it. I was like, ooh, this is me. And I got the Rihanna lip gloss, so I was like, this would look perfect under that. And this one was $10. I thought that was great. So hopefully it's not drying. The next thing that I picked up at Ulta was some lashes. I was really looking to try some new lashes. I'm always stuck with my Cocos, and the store by me closed down, who have the Cocos, and I have to go like 45 minutes away from my house to go get them, and I just didn't have time to do that. So I was like, ooh, I just want to try these ones. I've never tried Vegas Nay lashes, honestly. I've never tried Eyelure. I've always, because they're like $10, and I was like, my Coco lashes are $7, and I love them, and they don't look plasticky, and all the other ones there look so plasticky to me. And if you guys like them, please let me know if they come off plastically, like looking shiny on your eyes. I don't like that. I like it to look natural and like no shine and matte and just look like your lashes. So these were the ones that I found were closest to like Fox Mink. Oh, these are Mink Effect lashes. Interesting. Didn't even see that little thing. But all the other Fox Mink ones were like super small, and I was just like, if I'm gonna try some lashes, I want them to be popping, because I already know I'm gonna do like a fun eye look that day. Oh, those were $11.99, so $12. You see what I mean? Like Cocos, or, but I guess I can't knock it till I try it. So thanks to Tati, I really wanted to try the Catrice makeup brand, and I was like, well, their selection was kind of like a little area in Ulta, so I was like, what can I get out of this for my video? It's like, oh, I don't want to get an eyeshadow palette, so I got the long-lasting multi-talent fixing spray. Prepares the skin, improves makeup wear, and refreshes complexion. And this, I think, was $6. This was $7.99. So I'm interested in trying it. Oh, it has a smell. Oh. It smells like lavender. I hope that doesn't mess with my skin. I have sensitive skin. I will definitely let you guys know in the first impressions video. But yeah, so I'm interested in trying that. So for my next video, I will have a full face of all brand new makeup that I've never tried. Not necessarily brand new in the makeup community, but brand new for me. So if you guys want to see that, just go ahead and leave a comment or give it a thumbs up so I can start filming that. I am filming consistently now. Yay! I will be posting every Wednesday for now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked this video, if you like videos like this, please just go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you want me to try something else new, or if you have any recommendations for me, just go ahead and leave them in the comments. I love to hear you guys' recommendations. anything really. I am so down to try anything if you want to see me do a look. I know I'm kind of like still set in my ways with certain looks, but I'm trying. My hair is so bummy. This is like such last minute. I was just like, oh yeah, girl, went crazy. And I am going to be getting a camera, a nice big beautiful camera, because my husband loves me. But I will be getting a camera in 2 weeks, so I will have all new footage and it's gonna look even better. I am getting a new lighting system. I do just have a ring light right now, and then I want 2 lights here to kind of just brighten everything up to make it look more professional. I'm gonna be getting my 80D camera. I'm so excited. Anyways, thank you guys for all your love and support, and thank you for watching this video, and I hope you love it, and I hope you have a beautiful rest of the day. And maybe I shouldn't drink Red Bull at 7:30 at night, because I don't know what I'm gonna do now.